experiences.
I'm ready.
All right, Kachingo, baby.
Kachingo.
Kachingo!
So you hear all about trading and stocks and options.
I've had no experience or knowledge in stock market trading. I have gained confidence in the market. I can play it.
You give us everything. You really just genuinely give us everything we need to learn.
The January FX list was incredible.
If the market goes up or goes down, we can still make money as long as we follow your rules.
I trust you. That's bottom line.
I find that you're right so much.
Okay, so you do a lot of things. You're a single mom, you run your own business. How do you find the time to use Michael's program?
I have the luxury of working from home now. I can bring my kids lunch, I can take them to school in the morning. I don't have a heavy wardrobe bill, you know, I do what I want. I'm captain of my own ship, really.
There's a lot of people doing it, making a lot of money, and I want to be one of them. And this program allows you to do that.
I love trading. I think it's a great way to make money. I made money the old-fashioned way. This is much more fun.
Once I've made my set money, if it's $9.59, you know, I'll go have breakfast with a friend or do something else, and then maybe come back at like 2 o'clock.
So what's your best trade?
12,000 in one day.
Kachingo!
Well, I hear you have a really new, exciting computer program out there that actually makes making money in the stock market easier. How's that possible?
The Trend Crusher.
The Trend Crusher.
Yes, the
I like
Trend
it.
Crusher.
What is that about?
For years, my clients have been asking me, can you come up with some software program that automates some of your trends? And I was reluctant to do it, but we finally figured out a way to bring some of our trends to a software that I believe can help you make money. All right, Ricky, how have you done overall in the last 7 years?
In the past 7 years, using your system, I've made $450,000 to $500,000. I only spend about 2 hours, 2.5 hours a day trading. Some days I don't even trade, and I'm still having the same kind of success. I'm my own boss. I can make my own decisions. I don't have to worry about what somebody else says except for the person sitting beside me.
It's fantastic to have somebody work a couple of hours and then we're free.
We go to Maui every other year for 3 weeks.
Do you want to achieve your financial goals? Are you tired of letting someone else control your money and your future? Are you frustrated because you don't feel in command of your own cash? Well, so was I. And with no financial background, I set out to take control of my financial future and my life. Now I'm a multimillionaire, and I did it all with the easy-to-understand techniques of My Financial Power Makeover. Hi, I'm Michael Parnas. I've had the absolute privilege of teaching tens of thousands of my clients how to achieve their financial dreams. You deserve to have me help you achieve the money that you desire. Whether you're a housewife or a Wall Street pro, whether you work full-time or part-time, whether you're young or old, My Financial Power Makeover enables you to take control of your life to help make your financial dreams come true. People from around the world have paid thousands of dollars to attend my Learn to Earn money-making seminars. Now, through this special TV offer, you can start down the path of financial freedom and independence from the comfort of your own home in as little as an hour a day with the updated My Financial Power Makeover. My program consists of 6 full-length DVDs, including Intro to Trading, Money Management, and Learn how to maximize your buying power while helping to control the upfront risk with Intro to Options. You also get Intro to Charting. And how might you make money when the market's going down? Just like the pros with Beating the Bear. Then you'll learn the magic hour to trade when you can earn potential profits in as little as an hour a day with Playing the Gaps, the 1-hour trader. And now for the best part. To try your own financial power makeover, you don't need to spend thousands of dollars, not even hundreds. I'm so confident that this program will help you make your dreams a reality that I'll send it to you for 30 days for only $9.95. If you don't start to successfully make over your finances, or if you're not completely satisfied for any reason, simply return it within those 30 days and you'll owe nothing more. And I'm not going to leave you hanging. As part of this program, I'm going to include absolutely free 7 internet classes where my staff and I will walk you through the program and answer your questions live online. These classes are worth almost $2,000 and are yours to keep no matter what for free. And to help you test drive my Financial Power Makeover, you'll get free access to my trading simulator, where you can practice trend trading with no risk and no money. Once you feel comfortable with the program, you can use real money and start shooting for the big kachingos. But that's not all. I'm also going to throw in a 2-week free trial membership at trendfund.com, my online trading website. This membership, valued at over $200, will give you direct daily access to me and my personally trained staff. I want you to be successful as quickly as possible. When you order in the next 20 minutes, I'm going to include the 2-week free trial to my new Trend Crusher software. That's an additional big $300 value. This entire offer is worth thousands of dollars and thousands more in the money it could help you learn to make for yourself. But now, through this special limited time offer, you could try my complete My Financial Power Makeover program, all in the comfort of your own home for 30 days for under $10. The only thing you need to do is pick up that phone. Many thousands have taken that first step. Now it's your turn. So call now. You just might trade your way up in life.
I'm feeling a lot better about the future because I know I'm going to support my kids and we're going to have fun doing it.
I don't have a 9-to-5 job anymore. I don't have an office to go to.
Whatever work I put into this, I get back in checks.
As a working mother, I feel that Trend Fund enables me to be more confident knowing that I'm going to be able to maintain my lifestyle.
Well, I was on a fishing trip to Costa Rica. I spent a few weeks running around the jungles and sightseeing, but I was trading options at the same time. And in the course of that period, I actually made more money using options than I spent on my vacation.
I'm excited right now for the Monday Morning Open, and you know, I guarantee you they are too.
I'm not looking for work. I'm not worried about my business anymore. My business is getting up in the morning at 7 o'clock and getting in front of my computers with my coffee. My office attire now is sweats and a t-shirt.
And one morning I was on my way to work and I was just in the car thinking and kind of thankful for Michael because that morning I'd made $55,000 and it was just about what I make in a year, and I kind of contemplated why am I even going to work?
Okay, so it's that time of the program where you and I get to look each other eyeball to eyeball, and we're going to make a decision. You're going to make a decision. Are you going to take a chance on yourself and do something that just may change your life? Fear is false evidence appearing real. But you know what? I'm real. The people you've heard tonight, they're all real people. These are real testimonials. They did what they said they did. It's time for you to do for yourself, for less than $10, for 30 days. You can try my program. You're not happy for any reason. If you don't believe that it will change your life, then you know what? Return it. No questions asked. But I believe that this is an opportunity that you should not pass up. And the first step of the journey, that is the most important step of the journey. So let's go on this journey together.
I would tell people that were on the fence about trying Michael's system, simply, it works, and you make money from it.
Follow the rules and you'll rule the market.
I have gone through the education and it's very useful. This is something that I didn't learn at Harvard.
Pretty much anything we want, I know we're going to have, if not today, someday soon.
Again, get the system, get the videos, get the tape, get the training, get the education, and I tell you, your life will never be the same.
It's the real deal. It's a great system.
I tell you, even my broker, I told her, and she wants to come trend train.
We've seen and heard a lot of incredible real-life makeover stories today. If you're thinking about ways to make over your money, if you're considering investing, you have to look at My Financial Power Makeover.
Ka-chingo!
Are you making money?
$60,000 in 3 months.
You?
Best trade last week was $4,000.
Are you making money?
My best one was almost $8,000 in 12 months.
Back row, you making money?
$50,000 in 3 months.
$11,000 in 1 day.
Ka-chingo! Don't take my word for it. Try it. And if you don't like it, give it back.
Observe, see what goes on, read the blog, and if that doesn't convince you, I don't know what will.
Kapowza!
Every day that you don't do it, you're missing out on an opportunity to take control of your financial future.
The proceeding has been a paid presentation from My Financial Power Makeover.